This is why you need tights in the kitchen, for a culinary adventure like no other. Imagine this, you, a fearless cooking enthusiast in your favorite pair of colorful tights, ready to take on the kitchen like a superhero. First up, the ultimate test of balance and grace, chopping veggies without slipping on the floor. With tights, you get the flexibility and style that aprons could only dream of. And don't forget the twirl. Need to grab that spice from the top shelf? No problem. Just leap, pirouette, and sprinkle a bit of magic into your dish. Cooking in tights isn't just practical, it's a performance. Spin while stirring, prance while prepping, and flip those pancakes with flair. So next time you're in the kitchen, don your favorite tights and unleash your inner culinary ballerina. Remember, it's not just about the taste, it's about the tights and the tastes. Tights and tastes, where fashion meets flavor. Bon appetit!